In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monetization reports in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your revenue insights and how to read the key metrics that matter for your store or app. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Once your GA4 property loads, you'll be looking at the familiar left-hand navigation. This is where all your reporting lives and where we'll spend our time today. Next, click on Reports in the left sidebar. Reports is your hub for curated, out-of-the-box dashboards that answer common business questions without you having to build custom explorations. If you ever feel lost in GA4, Reports is the fastest way to get back to the essentials. Inside Reports, look for the Life Cycle section. This area follows the customer journey from acquisition through engagement and, importantly for us, monetization. Go ahead and click Monetization. This is where GA4 brings together your revenue data, whether it's from e-commerce transactions, in-app purchases, or ad revenue, depending on what you've implemented. Now you'll see options like Overview and e-commerce purchases. Click Overview to get a high-level snapshot. Here you'll typically see total revenue, estimated revenue by source, and cards that highlight purchases and checkout activity. Use this page to spot big picture trends. Are revenues rising week over week? Is there a sudden dip tied to a campaign ending? If something looks off, remember that GA4 records revenue when the purchase event fires, so accurate tagging for value and currency is critical. When you need product level detail, click e-commerce purchases. This report breaks down which items drive the most revenue, quantity, and purchases. Look at item name or item category to identify best sellers, slow movers, and opportunities for bundling or promotion. If you notice high item views but low purchases, that can signal pricing concerns, unclear product pages, or friction later in checkout. As you review these reports, use the standard report controls to refine your view. Filtering by device category can reveal differences between mobile and desktop performance. Comparing time periods helps you validate the impact of a recent launch or sale. And adding a secondary dimension like country or campaign connects revenue back to marketing efforts so you know what's working. That's the core flow. Go to analytics.google.com, click Reports, open Monetization in the Lifecycle section, and choose Overview for a dashboard summary or e-commerce purchases for granular product insights. Revisit these regularly to catch trends early, double down on winning products, and fix issues before they cost you revenue.